Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis over the past few days, so that is where the red, green, and then orange line here is coming from. And that orange trend line played a role once again. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past, but if you have, you know I've put this trend line in play. And that, in yesterday's video, I talked about how, the price got relatively close to it before getting the nice bounce upwards. Well, you fast forward to today and there was no got close to it. The price went right down to that level and bounced off it again. So once again, that trend line has proven itself as being a very important level of support. So that remains that near-term key level. Hard to assign a numerical value because, this trend line here, the line is moving higher and higher. So as each 30-minute session goes by, that line and that, value technically changes. But, I'd say right here, kind of just ballpark it, right around 127.50, 128 is going to be that, the value of the trend line going into Thursday. And, that's, like I said, the level that so far so good has held strong. But if the price does not hold above it, while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, if that, level is violated, especially on higher volume, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to the 124 mark, which is that next overall level of support. But again, to be fair and to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a great job of holding up above that trend line, so we'll continue to monitor that going forward. On the flip side of things, nothing new here to report as far as resistance levels. It's still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, right now valued at 130.66, but again, keyword being moving. So as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself downwards, and that value is going to change. So you'll have to be proactive as a trader to keep, an inventory check on what the current value of that level is. In the event there's some sort of high volume breakout of that 50-period moving average, next key level of resistance to keep an eye on would be that red line up there, valued at 134.25. So as far as kind of the overall annotations I've done from the past, nothing new to really report other than confirmation that that trend line is still holding that support. But space is running out. The price is going to have to make some sort of decision soon, whether it's going to be breaking to the upside through the moving average or breaking to the downside of that trend line. We'll see what happens with it, but I know I'll be keeping a close eye on it on Thursday and really just Friday, the remainder of the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.